Hello everyone, welcome back. Feels like it's been a little bit. Strixhaven box break, the set box. I'm gonna go back to continue doing it the way I was before. And let's go. It's been a pretty fun set so far. The Mystic Archive cards are just beautiful. They're fantastic. The actual set. I am personally I love spells, so this is like my jam. These set boosters have so much potential value in them. It's insane. And here we go, first pack. I'm going backwards. Elite Spellbinder is our first rare. Our first archive card is Adventurer's Impulse. Valen, Dean of the Vein. Oh, and a land. The Bibliopalact, words. And a regrowth as our Mystic Archive card. I think I've pulled only one Demonic Tutor so far. It's pretty exciting, but I would love to get that the Japanese one. It's so... I'm really impressed with the art on the Japanese ones. And the foiling on these cards is just... Other than the fact that I'm not sure what the whole story is. Multiple Choice is our rare. Snakeskin Veil is our first archive card. And another regrowth. That's foil. Very nice. The order in these ones feels a little weird. I don't know. It might be because I'm opening the packs backwards, but... Cody... Codex, a Lightning Helix, ooh, and a foil counterspell, Mystic Archive, very nice, congratulations. Draconic Intervention. They're rare. Ooh, an Approach of the Second Sun. Nice. Once again, it would have been a lot of fun to play this set. A Wandering Archaic for our first rare. A Silver Quill Silencer. Faithless Looting is our archive card. Academic Probation. I ordered this, so I opened this one backwards. Strict Protect. A D-Spark as our archive card. Manifest Sage is our rare, and a Shock as our Mystic Archive in that one. Okay, pressing forwards, we are almost a third the way through. One second. Blot Out the Skies are rare and eliminate. Ooh, a Dramatic Finale. Foil. Throw that there. Flame of Keld, uncommon list card. Efreet Flame Painter, there's our rare. Revitalize our list card. Alright, we're approaching the halfway point. At halfway I will clean the cards up a little bit. Maelstrom Muse is an uncommon. Lorehold Command and a Revitalize Mystic Archive. Actually, I'm going to clean this up right now. Alright, continuing on. Teachings of the Arcade, the something. Sudden Breakthrough. Jazdri, Oracle of something. So flip one. Then the other side is the Journey to the Oracle. A Dragon's Guard Elite. Ooh, a God's Willing as our archive card. Professor of Symbology. Foil, a Pest. So far, we're doing pretty good. We haven't seen any of the crazy good archive cards yet, but they're I just like them. They're kind of neat. Keen, Dean of Substance. Ooh, a non-foil Dramatic Finale. A Stone Rain. Very nice. Trying to hold them up to the camera a little nicer, just so everyone can read them a little easier. Ooh, Vine Glimmer Snarl, land, Thrill of Possibility. Their archive card. Alright, we're just about halfway. This might be halfway here. Doing pretty good so far. we might end up, okay. Venerable War Singer is our rare. An Opt is our archive card. Silver Campus. That was Dylan messaging me, asking me where something was. Gnarled Professor. A Duress. Very nice. A Cultivate. Pestilence Cauldron, it's a flip card. Hall of Oracles. Brainstorm. Dream Strix is our rare. Ooh, a nice dark ritual. Square Up. And Evermind. All right, we're back. I had to answer some questions. Sorry about that. You won't notice, but it's extending my time on this. Eliminate. 1 second. All right, we're back again. Continuing on. We're almost done. Despite the interruptions. A Pugilist. Magma Opus. Strategic Planning. Eliminate History. Crackle with Power. Ooh, Primal Command. Pretty good. All right, last little stack of cards. We're almost through here. Sledgemore Witch. Oh, Sign in Blood. Excavate the Wall is the foil on that one. So we're still waiting on the Time Spiral one to fill. There's 2 spots left. And then we're also going to do a Japanese box for Strixhaven. We're going to adjust how it's done. I'll make an announcement about that once we've figured it out. And it'll be great because I'll have to remember what all the Japanese archive cards are and then all the normal ones. Torrent Sculptor. Claim the Firstborn. So with that, and the fact that they're such beautiful cards, I think that'll be really fun too. We're also, after some discussion on it, I'm going to, after the current ones that are filling are filled, because I don't want to adjust anything as we go. Sparring Regimen, we're going to adjust how, we're going to make another adjustment to everything, just to make it things a little more, make sense a little bit better. Urza's Rage is our archive card. 5 packs left. Retriever Phoenix? Question mark. Defiant Strike. Witherbloom Command. Whirlwind Denial is our archive card in there. Ooh, Primeval Bounty as our list card in that pack. 3 packs left. Here we go. Like I said, it's been a lot of fun this set so far. Shine Shadow Snarl. Village Rites is our archive card. And a nice foil there. Our token. Last couple packs. Here we go. These will be available to pick up today. And then after this is done, I'll obviously sort them out to the proper colors. It will seem that Blex, the Vexing Pest, is the rare there. Archmage Amorous. Cultivators are list. Ardent Dust Speaker. 2 packs left. Here we go. Leonite Light Scribe is our rare. Infuriate. A foil Divine Gambit. Last pack. Here we go, everyone. Good luck. Hope it goes well. It's been a lot of fun. I enjoy doing these. I hope we keep doing them. Does everybody see some cards? Hopefully get some fun stuff. Ooh, a full art Tanzrit Quandrix. Quandrix Command. Agonizing Remorse. Keelan Ink Duelist is our foil there, and then one of the little mini games. Alright, everyone. Thanks for joining in. It's been fun. Like I said, the cards will be available today for pickup. This video might take a moment because I'm going to have to edit out the breaks. But other than that, it's been fun. See everyone later. Bye.